Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury vehicles of 2026, a futuristic motorhome that's redefining what we expect from mobile luxury and performance. Stick with us as we explore every angle of this incredible machine. When you first see this vehicle in person, it stops you in your tracks. The exterior design feels like something straight out of a concept car showcase, yet it's fully road legal. The front end slopes forward in a sleek, aerodynamic profile with sharp LED headlights that wrap around the body like ribbons of light. The grille area is minimal, giving it a bold yet clean presence that signals both strength and sophistication. As you walk alongside, the double-deck silhouette makes it clear this isn't your typical motorhome. It's elongated and muscular, with smooth panels that flow into each other seamlessly. The windows are expansive and tinted subtly, adding an air of mystery and privacy while offering panoramic views from inside. Every curve, crease and line seems intentionally placed to balance modernity with functionality. Moving around to the rear, the design continues to impress. The taillights stretch across the back with a continuous bar of light that looks stunning both at night and during the day. The rear bumper is sculpted with integrated aerodynamic elements that reduce drag, while the dual exhausts, finished in polished titanium, hint at the performance capability lurking under the surface. The build quality feels premium throughout, with no misaligned panels or cheap finishes anywhere. This is clearly a vehicle designed and built with meticulous attention to detail. Slide open the smart activated doors and you're immediately greeted by a world of luxury. The interior feels more like a high-end apartment than a traditional motorhome. Up front, the dashboard is dominated by massive curved displays that wrap around the driver, delivering essential information in a digital cockpit that's both intuitive and futuristic. The steering wheel has a minimalist design with touch-sensitive controls that respond instantly to your inputs. Ambient lighting lines the edges of the cabin, and you can adjust colors to suit your mood, from calming blues to energizing reds. The seating material feels like plush, finely grained leather, with heating and cooling functions that make every journey comfortable regardless of weather. Behind the driver's area, the living space opens up into something truly special. The kitchen features marble countertops, built-in high-end appliances, and soft close cabinetry. Every detail, from the brushed metal fixtures to the custom lighting under the cabinets, screams luxury. There's a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher, making long trips feel like home. Storage space is cleverly integrated throughout, so you never feel like you've sacrificed functionality for style. The sleeping area follows suit with a premium mattress, ambient reading lights, and blackout shades that ensure you get a restful night's sleep. The bedroom design is modern and clean, with plenty of storage hidden behind elegant panels. Whether you're parked in the wilderness or at a luxury resort, waking up here feels like waking up in a five-star hotel suite. The large panoramic windows bring in natural light and give you breathtaking views of your surroundings. Now let's talk about performance. Don't let the size fool you, this luxury motorhome delivers surprising power and responsiveness. It's equipped with a state-of-the-art engine that balances efficiency with strength, giving you a smooth ride even on highways or winding roads. Acceleration is strong for a vehicle of this class, and the advanced suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease. Handling feels stable and confidence-inspiring, thanks to active stabilizers and adaptive dampers that react to changing conditions. You'll notice the difference immediately when merging onto the highway or taking elevated corners. There's a solidity here that makes you forget you're driving something so large. The braking system uses advanced technology to keep everything controlled and safe, even when traveling at higher speeds. Safety features are abundant, with lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking all included as standard. These systems work together to take some stress out of long drives, especially when you're navigating unfamiliar terrain. Another impressive aspect is the ride quality. The interior remains quiet and composed even at highway speeds, thanks to excellent sound insulation and aerodynamic design. Passenger comfort is a priority throughout, and every seating position, whether in the driver's cabin, living area, or bedroom, delivers that premium feel. Of course, all of this level of luxury and capability comes with a premium price tag. The base model for this 2026 luxury motorhome starts at a price point that definitely places it in the high end of the market. But for buyers looking for a mobile lifestyle without compromise, the value proposition is clear. When you factor in the build quality, premium materials, cutting-edge tech, and overall experience, it stands out as a strong contender in the luxury travel segment. Custom options like extended panoramic glass roofs, upgraded sound systems, and personalized interiors can push the price higher, but they also deliver custom-tailored perfection for owners who want something truly unique. In real-world use, owners report that the investment pays off not just in comfort, but in versatility. Whether you're using it for cross-country adventures, weekend getaways, or extended travel periods, this vehicle feels capable and refined in almost every scenario. The resale value is expected to hold well too, thanks to the attention this model has received from enthusiasts and industry experts alike. To wrap things up, the 2026 luxury motorhome we've reviewed today represents a leap forward in what a mobile living space can be. It combines futuristic design, uncompromising interior luxury, strong performance, and smart technology into one impressive package. Yes, it's expensive, but for the buyer who demands the best of everything, this vehicle delivers. Thanks for watching MH Car Review. If you enjoyed this detailed look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive review like this. We'll see you next time.